Now we are on the Excel spreadsheet. Now here we have some sales data based on a stock. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add some multiple rows or a single row in this particular data. So here you can see the region wise, category wise, state wise, subcategory wise, and there are sales and quantities, right? Now let us imagine that you must out to add a sale data here, right? So let us imagine that on the row 7 you were supposed to add some detail. For example, some technology related sale happened on that day and you missed out to add it, right? So how do you create a new row now? So for example, if multiple sales happened on the same day, like 3 to 4, and you missed out them, so how do I add 3 to 4 rows in between the existing data, right? So don't worry about it, it's completely simple. All you have to do is select the row and right click and press on the option insert. Now this will insert one single row if you wanted to add one single row or tuple, and if you wanted to add multiple rows, for example you wanted to add 3 rows altogether, then it's also simple. All you have to do is select 3 rows and right click and press on insert, and then you have 3 rows. So there you go. So that's how you add multiple rows in an Excel spreadsheet, or that's how you add one single row in an Excel spreadsheet.